it's so touching simply because I'm telling the story from the citizens of Rolling Fork and not just from news outlets. Like,
Right.
I'm letting them sit up and tell you how life was for them as the tornado ran through their city, how life was before the tornado, and how life is now in present day
Yeah.
when people are now still on living their life. We moved on, we sent our water, but there's literally an entire community that is
Still
trees.
trying to put it
Just
together. Yeah.
it's just it's nothing but bricks, trash, trees, couple of homes up on a couple of neighborhood streets, but for the most part, it looked like a landfill.